I'm not here now. I'm here to give us a business presentation on an opportunity that I started in 2021 around about May. Business opportunity is about what we call VRQ, and it's a presentation on how you can earn from cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is already a 15 years old blockchain technology. Now, how do you earn? That's a question we should ask ourselves. According to the famous theory, cash flow quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki, there are 4 ways to earn. Which one are you earning from? I have read several books written by and authored by Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Unfair Advantage, Business of the 21st Century. I've read 5 or 6 books, and this one of them I also wrote called Cash Flow Quadrant. That there are 4 major ways where we earn money. You earn money as an employee, you your time for money. And people want to now move away from employee, they want to become self-employed, and at that point, they are moving to the quadrant. They are time for money. For money. They wake up early in the morning and they close at night, and they're in retirement. And the other set of people are who we call the business owner. Business owner, they own a system for them and they use leverage. But these 2 people that are earning from a job, they don't have a leverage. And people that are self-employed, they have their own job and they don't have a leverage, because the moment they have a job, they left the job and they become self-employed, they now own a job. The job owns them. But the business owner builds a system where people work for the person, for him or her, and they make money because they are leveraging. And the fourth way of earning money is where you invest, where money works for you. That's where you earn passive income. Now, to put money in the bank, any interest where some money for 1 year or for 2 years, or in gold and silver.
Hello, sir. The network is bad. Can't hear you at all.
Sorry about that. Just out again. The network, let me confirm that they are hearing my voice. Sorry about that.
Another one. I supposed to come. I know the
Please mute your mic, please. Please mute your mic. So let me share my screen again. Sorry about that. My mic is on. My mic is on. So sorry about that. Let's continue. So you can decide to also invest in gold and silver, which is a very good option. You can invest in mutual funds and you can invest in real estate. And if you want to invest in real estate, you need to have millions to be able to do that. And this graph is showing the best investment of appreciating very fast than any of these means of investment. Has proved that a lot, a lot, where you can invest despite the fact that we know that it's very, very volatile. And because of that volatility of crypto, that's where the money is being made. Somebody can buy it and the next 1 week, that coin can give 20%, can give you 10%, can even give you 50%. In a month, it can even give you 80% if you hold for long. So that the benefit of in, in crypto may have. In 2008, a group of people anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto, they created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today, Bitcoin. In 2009, Bitcoin was launched to the world. Presently, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrency and increasing day by as its popularity among its users is increasing due to its substantial growth in value over the years. As when Bitcoin was launched over 15 years ago, less than $1. As of today, Bitcoin is around at $5,000. Just imagine able to buy Bitcoin over 15 years, it must be $1 million now. That's why a lot of government around the world, they are already attuned to cryptocurrency. They are paying so much attention to it. And a man that I know very well, that's a man that I mentioned in the beginning called Robert Kiyosaki. In the beginning, he didn't believe so much in cryptocurrency. He believed so much in investing in real estate properties. But now he's not championing the cause of preaching to people that inflation is coming, economic crisis is coming. One of the ways you can safeguard yourself is to invest in cryptocurrency. And he keeps talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, because all these digital assets are completely centralized. They don't have any influence of the government. It's an industry for the people, by the people, and of the people. It's me and you that contribute to the growth of all these digital assets. As we buy, as we sell, everything is operated on the blockchain, and blockchain is secured, is transparent, it's anonymous. That's one of the beauty of crypto. That's why most of our politicians now, they are finding a way to hide their money in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is already not, is not the feature, is what everybody should move into, because the era of fiat currency, we have moved from the era of fiat currency to digital currency. Now, know about cryptocurrency, because now cryptocurrency is now global. It's a global digital currency. The value of, that's one of the beauty of digital currency, digital assets. Like we have disparity, we have differences in different currencies all over the world. Each country have their own currency. In Nigeria, we have Naira. In Kenya, we have Kenyan shillings. In Europe, we have Euro. In UK, we have what we call pounds. In US, we have US dollars. There are disparities, there are differences. We have yuan, we have different all over the world, and there are differences. Just like we know that our Naira in Nigeria is going down in value, the exchange rate is skyrocketing. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, the coin that you pray for, that you invest in, is the same all over the world. It does not change. Like currently now, let's say the value of coin now is $35,000 now. In UK, that's the same value they will see it. In China, that's the value. That's one of the beauty of digital currency. And although it runs on a blockchain, it's secured by what we call cryptography, that makes it active and fastest transaction. So that when I want 10 Bitcoin times, depending on the network I'm using to send, I've seen one before within 3 seconds that enter the wallet. Was that in such a way that it
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. The class is not really enjoyable because of the network. Can't hear your voice very well.
No. Very well. Hello, what about now?
Yeah, we can't hear you very well. It's not clear.
What about now? What about now?
Yeah,
What
better
about
now.
now?
Better now.
Okay. Let me move close to the phone then. Sorry about that. Thank you for notifying me. No, I was far from the phone, from the gadget I'm using. So sorry about that. So as I was saying, that digital currency is uniform in value, is uniform in price all over the world, compared to other fiat currencies like dollar, pounds, yen, yuan. All these other currencies, they are different in value. Somebody that wants to have naira here, if you want to change to US dollar, there are differences. But in cryptocurrency, the value is constant anywhere in the world. That anybody that wants to buy it is constant all over the world. And I was saying that the blockchain technology is what is the is the basis of what all cryptocurrency in the world were built. Is the technology behind every cryptocurrencies. Is the technology behind it. That is why it is built in such a way that it cannot be hacked, because cryptocurrency is built on different networks all over the world. The only way you can hack a blockchain is if a blockchain is in over 300 servers all over the world. If you can hack one computer, but if you cannot hack the other computer in the other networks all over the world, you cannot hack a blockchain because it is completely decentralized. So it is hack proof, and it's also a decentralized finance, where if you are in need of any financial service, any financial product, you can easily access it. That's why cryptocurrency transactions are peer-to-peer based, and they are not controlled by any central authority or any central bank or any central institution. They are decentralized, is peer-to-peer, is not controlled by any central authority. That's what makes it attractive to a lot of investors. And cryptocurrency also have potential growth. Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, has shown the highest growth in value in the last 10 years. It's even more than 10 years now. This makes crypto the best performing digital asset as compared to any other form of investment. As you can see here, compared to every other technology, we can see that Bitcoin has done over 569,772% in appreciation in over 10 years as at the time this slide was created. Compared to other investments, people that invested in S&P, in Google, in Amazon, you can see that anyone that invested in Bitcoin over 10 years ago, they are in a very, very, very high profit, in very, very high profit. Now, how to earn? Now, this is the question. How do you now want to earn in crypto? That's the question we should ask ourselves. You can invest in a coin or in a token or in any cryptocurrency that you have duly researched by yourself. You can decide to invest and hold for a long time, maybe for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years, for 4 years, because from experience, anytime you invest in any cryptocurrency, it takes about 3 to 5 years for any coin that you invest in to do massive returns. Some can do in few months, but if you want to really make a breakthrough in crypto, you can decide to invest for long term. And you can also invest in crypto by mining. And mining is a process used to generate new coins and verify new transactions over decentralized networks of computers. So for every blockchain that is developed with its own cryptocurrency, with its own native coin, there are what we call miners. They are anonymous. They are called nodes or validators because they are the one that validates, they are the one that endorse any transaction that is being done on the blockchain. And they are always rewarded for any time they endorse any transaction. So that's another way of earning from crypto, which is very, very expensive to do because you need a very, very it's highly capital intensive. You need a well-established server, you need a well-established data and gadgets and constant electrical supply to do so. So it's very, very capital intensive. And you can also engage in what we call staking, just like the way you fix your money in bank. And maybe you fix for 1 year, for 6 months, for 2 years, and you are entitled to a certain percentage per annum. So in crypto too, you can also stake maybe for 30 days, for 60 days, for any amount of coin that you stake, you can be getting weekly returns, weekly interest, or monthly. So that's another way you can earn in crypto. Another way you can also earn in crypto is by trading, and that's where our focus is. And crypto trading inclines more towards the shorter or quicker route. It seeks refuge in the volatility of the crypto market to make the best of price fluctuations. One can pay close attention to the crypto market and invest in day trading for quicker trading profits. So crypto trading is more or less like normal buying and selling. You buy a good at an wholesale price, and you buy more quantity. When that same good go down in price, you buy more quantity of that good. The more it goes down, you get them more cheaper, waiting for the value of those goods that you buy to appreciate in value, to go higher. Then you make your profit. That is the simpler way of explaining crypto trading. And because of the volatility nature of crypto, that's where money is being made. Anytime a coin goes down, and people that are new to crypto trading, they're always scared when they see a coin going down in value. And me that I've been long in crypto trading, that's when I'm very happy because I know I'll be able to get any coin that goes down. Maybe the coin goes down by -1% in return rate, it goes on by -2%. The further down a coin goes down, that is when I will dive in. And that's the rule of crypto. You only enter a coin when the coin has gone down. Because anytime a coin goes down, there are people that are already waiting for you to go down to buy. And when there's a pressure and demand for that coin from the bottom, as it has gone down, the demand will push the price up. And when your bought it lower, as it's going up, you can decide at what price you want to take your profits. So that's one of the beauty of trading, and that's one of the ways you can earn money. So now when you want to go into crypto trading, it requires knowledge, and it can require time, and sometimes it can also require patience, because people should not have the kind of mindset that crypto trading is not Ponzi scheme where you should be expecting fixed daily returns or fixed daily profit or fixed daily return on investment. Crypto trading is not investment, it's buying and selling. So sometimes you can earn profits, sometimes might not earn profit. Sometimes in days when the value of the coin has gone so much down, that's when you need to have patience, because anytime any coin you are trading goes down, then it will surely go up. And one of the reasons why we are introducing us to this artificial intelligence is that it doesn't have any form of emotions. Because when you want to engage in manual trading on crypto exchanges, is very, very exhausting. I remember when I was trading without the use of RoyalQ then, 2021, I have to wake up in the middle of the night. I will have to I will have to put alarm on my phone to wake up at a particular hour in the night while other people are sleeping. I'll wake up in the middle of the night. I'll be studying chat, looking at chat as going up and down. I will be having so much emotional outburst. That's where the bot comes in. While you are busy with your activities daily or you are sleeping, the bot is working tirelessly for you. So that's why we are introducing what we call RoyalQ. It's an artificial intelligence. RoyalQ is a super intelligent automated crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence algorithm to trade for you in your crypto exchange. Just think of it as hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your crypto trading while you can sit back and watch your profits grow. And that's the beauty of this bot. The moment it doesn't need internet, the moment you have set up your trade. Just leave the bot to be doing its work for you. We know how efficient bots are. As long as you give it the right instruction, you give it the right parameter, just leave the bot. No matter how the coin is going up and down, it will be doing buying and selling for you. That's the beauty. I remember the first time I started using RoyalQ, the first time I set it up, I slept and I woke up. I just entered into the RoyalQ app and I saw notifications, about 55 notifications of how, while I was busy sleeping, the bot was busy doing buying and selling for me and giving me profit. I was so excited. So since that time, I have been so passionate about this bot. Talk of sleeping, making money while you're sleeping. That's what the bot can do for you. Now, what are the features of RoyalQ? We have so many other bots outside here, but RoyalQ has been seen to be one of the best because it does not ever trade at loss. And number one, your capital is guaranteed because your capital is not even in the RoyalQ bot. Your capital is not in the RoyalQ bot because you don't put your phone, your capital inside the bot, inside the app. You put your capital for trading in your digital wallet, in your digital bank of your choice. We have several. We have Binance Exchange, we have Huobi Exchange, we have Bybit, we have Kraken, we have Coinbase Pro, we have Indodax. These are several exchanges that you can use where your money will be safe and secured and accessible anytime. And you see them in live, you see them in real time, how the bot is busy doing buying and selling for you because your capital is secured. And it is super intelligent because it executes what we call quantitative trading using artificial intelligence, real-time monitoring. You can be able to go and check your bot, how it is doing your buying and selling for you, and it will give you a time stamp. It will give you the record of all your buying and selling on the bot, and you can equally see it on your exchange how it is busy buying and selling for you. Somebody was telling me recently that he invested in one platform and they claim that their money is secured, and they claim that they are using about 3 bots. And when I went to the site, I told him, I'm not seeing any sign that they are actually using any bot, because if they are actually using a bot and it's actually on blockchain, I supposed to see it in real time, because one of the features of blockchain is transparency. For you to be able to see all your transaction on the blockchain, anybody can see your transaction on the blockchain, but I didn't see anything. This RoyalQ bot is very different, and it works 24/7 for you throughout the day. It doesn't go on holiday, no, because it is a bot, and it does not ever lead to any loss. It only give profit, because at the moment you set the bot, you are only giving instruction to only sell on profit. And we don't trade in margin, we don't trade on the margin on futures, because those markets in crypto trading are very risky. We only trade in what we call spot markets. And although profit depends on your trading capital, if you start RoyalQ trading today, you join, you might be asking me that what is the expected profit it can give me. From experience, it can give you on your capital between 10% to more than 30% in a month. That's the average it can give. Sometimes, if you allow the coin that you're trading to stay longer, the longer it stays, it can even give you more than 30 to 50%. So those are the features of RoyalQ. And if you also now want to also make extra income, which I call active income, because the trading you are using the RoyalQ bot to engage in is passive income, passive profits. The moment you have set the bot, it will be giving your profit hands free, and it will drop your profit inside your exchange. But if you want to engage in the app, because the bot is a software, it is our product that we share. If you decide to share the bot with your family and friends, there's what we call a reward for that. Now, the next question you ask me, how do you now start? How do you start make money with RoyalQ, you need to have these two applications on your phone. Number one is Binance. You need to download Binance Exchange on your phone, and you also need to get a link, an affiliate link to anybody that share this opportunity with you. They will give you a link, sign up on the link, and download the RoyalQ app directly from the official link that was sent to you. Don't go and download RoyalQ app from the from the Play Store, because there are many duplicated RoyalQ app on Play Store. So you must use the official link that was sent to you. And the moment you have installed your Binance, sign up on it and verified it, because you must verify it before you can use your Binance. You must verify it. Then the next thing is that you need to deposit some amount of money into your exchange. And the minimum you can use to start RoyalQ is $240. That $240 covers $100 for activating the bot for a whole year, for 1 year, for it to be working for you for 12 months. Then you need an additional gas fee that the bot will be using to work anytime it's giving you profits. And the remaining $100 will be in your Binance. That will be your initial minimum trading capital. So the capital that you leave in your Binance is what will determine your profits. Somebody that comes with $200, $300 can make more profit than anybody that starts with $100. But the minimum you can start with is $240. But I always tell anybody that join RoyalQ, don't restrict yourself to $100. Ensure you continue to increase your capital. You can't open a shop or start a business, you pay for the rent for $120 or 120,000 naira in Nigeria currency, and you just buy goods of only 100,000 naira a day. You don't do that. Even if you start with that amount, endeavor to be increasing your capital, because you must make sure you make more profits from your capital and to be able to break even in your RoyalQ business. Now, you need to also, after you have funded your Binance and you have already activated the bot by withdrawing part of the $240 that you bought on a Binance, you send about $140 to the RoyalQ app to activate the bot. Then the next thing for you to do is to now do what we call API binding. And the API binding is a technology that is called application programming interface, where the two apps will be talking to each other, will be communicating to each other. You connect your RoyalQ app with a Binance, and the only instruction you give the RoyalQ to be doing is that it should be able to be monitoring the market, to be reading the market, and to be helping to do buy and selling. Anytime you are setting up the API setting, we don't tick withdrawal or transfer. I've been using RoyalQ for the past almost 3 years now. I've never been involved in any loss. The only time that you lose in RoyalQ is when you use your own hand to press the button and click manual sell. That's the only time that you lose on RoyalQ. So by itself, you don't lose on RoyalQ. So I've already said this. You pay for the fee for the bot for $120, which is subscription fee, and you add an extra $20 inside the RoyalQ bot. And the gas fee that you put in your bot is what the bot uses to work anytime it sells on profit for you. So if you are interested in sharing the RoyalQ bot with more people, you can also get bonus. And time you tell anybody about RoyalQ, you earn $30 for them activating the bot for you. So these are the other ways you can make income: by self-trading profits, where your profit goes to your Binance directly, where you can. We don't do cash out in RoyalQ, and we don't withdraw in RoyalQ, because your money, your fund, your capital is your Binance. You only convert them to your fiat currency. So we don't withdraw, we don't cash out, because people always ask me, how can I withdraw my profits? How can I cash out? We don't cash out because your money is not in the company's website. Your money is in your digital bank. The second way you can make money in RoyalQ is activation bonus. Anytime you tell somebody about RoyalQ, you get a welcome bonus for telling them about RoyalQ. And anytime your team that anybody will refer is trading through you, you also make trading profits in RoyalQ. So the only time you withdraw in RoyalQ is anytime somebody sign up in RoyalQ, you get the bonus inside the bot, you can now withdraw it out. So those are the ways you can make money in RoyalQ. And if you decide to also build the RoyalQ, you can also do what you can rank. If you want to rank in the business, the more people you tell about the RoyalQ opportunity, you move on in a career plan from V1 to V6. I don't want to talk much about that. So these are potential income if you decide to build your career plan in RoyalQ. And when you move to V6, the highest rank, we only have two highest rank in Nigeria, Mr. James Emakara. As of 2021, that's when he became V6 in RoyalQ. And also have Dr. Money, she's a doctor. She's also doing this business aggressively daily. They do RoyalQ daily. So these are just projections of profit you can make if you decide to be accumulating the RoyalQ as you trade with RoyalQ. So this man also said, this man is called Warren Buffett. He said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So before I entertain questions, let me just show us my RoyalQ bot. Let me just show us my RoyalQ bot. Let me look for my RoyalQ to give you some examples of I want to open my RoyalQ bot. I will go to assets. This is a balance in my RoyalQ. If I'll click this place, you'll see I'll go to withdraw. So if I go down, you'll see how I've been withdrawing from RoyalQ since 2021 because this app is completely decentralized. You can see here, this is 2021. This you can see as far back as October 2021, I've been withdrawing without any restrictions from RoyalQ till date. So I'll be withdrawing effortlessly from RoyalQ. 2021, and we are in 2023. Now, these are the affiliate earning. When you decide to share the opportunity with people, you see your affiliate earning here by going to what we call reward details. All your team members, as they are trading under you, you'll be earning some income from. Anytime they are making money and they are happy, you earn as they are earning. And let me also show us examples of trade profits. Let me show us example of some trade profits in RoyalQ. Profit is not in RoyalQ. RoyalQ is just giving a report of your trading profit in your RoyalQ. Your profit is here, is not in RoyalQ. So I go to revenues. So you will see the trading as this profits are being here, they are not here inside the bot, they are in your Binance. So if I go to reward details too, you will see that on this side too, this is another side of anytime you share the opportunity with people are making money, you too, you are also making money. I want to stop here so I can be able to entertain questions from us. So let me just go to, so if you have any question, so this is the time to ask your question. I'm coming, where's the Zoom, okay? So if you have any question for people learning for the first time, if you have any question, you can ask me a question. ask your question if need any clarification on the presentation I've done so far. You can ask your question. I can see someone here. Akuro Selkika Amanigek. I hope I'm pronouncing your name very well. And I can see Mr. Patrick. So if you have any question, you can unmute your to ask your question so that I can answer your question. You can unmute your mic to ask your question. Let me stop the recording.